Okay, dear students, as we are discussing cell chapter, structure and functions, as we have discussed already in this chapter about living and non-living things, this was the starting part, living and non-living things. Okay, after that we have discussed about the various cell components. These cell components which we have discussed in a chart also, and we have discussed about the nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane. About these three we have done in detail. Now we are going to start some questions first, then we will go through the structure of a plant cell. So my first question is, you may write all these answers first in your notebook, then you may match your answers here. So first question is, green color of leaves is due to the presence of dash. First question is, green color of the leaves is due to the presence of dash. So the answer will be chlorophyll. I think you all have written this answer in your notebooks. You may match from here, and spelling also. Answer is chlorophyll. Next question, the kinds of plastids in which food is stored in leucoplast. कौन से फूड की टाइप है जो किस में स्टोर होगी, ल्यूकोप्लास्ट में. आंसर विल बी, द क्वेश्चन इज काइंड्स ऑफ द प्लास्टिड्स इन विच form of food is stored in leucoplast. Answer will be carbohydrates and fats. In these form food will be stored here. Next question, third question is this, placing the specimen on the slide. There is a term, there is a specific name for this. The question is placing the specimen on the slide. So the answer will be, I think you all have written in your notebooks, you may match from here. Answer will be mounting. When we discuss the procedure of how to analyze the structure of an onion peel under the microscope, the term was mounting. Next question, give a suitable term for various components of the cell. What can be the suitable term? Although we have discussed all these questions earlier, all the parts earlier, so what will be the answer of this? Give a suitable term for various components of the cell. Answer will be cell organelles, which we have discussed in the parts also. Cell organelles. So I think these questions are clear to you all, and the answers also. Once more let me tell you all the answers. Green color of the leaves is due to the presence of chlorophyll. Next, in which form the food is stored in the leucoplast? Answer is carbohydrates and fats. Placing the specimen on the slide. Answer is mounting. Last question, give a suitable word, give a suitable term for the various components of the cell. Answer is cell organelles. I think all questions are clear. Now we are going to discuss about the structure of a plant cell. So this is the structure of plant cell. This structure is to be drawn by you all in your notebooks also. So we will discuss here the components. These are the same components which we have done in the chart already. So we will describe once more here. First is nucleolus, that is present in the dense spherical body inside the nucleus. Okay, then cell wall. Why there is a cell wall? Cell wall should be there because it protects the inner contents, inner wall of the cell from any kind of injury. Cell membrane, that is present inside the cell wall. Cell membrane, or you can say plasma membrane. Function क्या है? To protect the contents of the cell, जो किसके inside present है? Cell wall के. Next is nucleus. Nucleus is present in center of the cell. Center it will be in the animal cell. It is present at the periphery in the plant cell. Periphery means at the sides. So ribosomes. These are the structures which are present there. These are the ribosomes. Why these are required? These are required for the protein synthesis. Ribosomes are there for the protein synthesis mainly. Next, mitochondria. Mitochondria, why there is need of mitochondria? As we have discussed earlier about all these components, now also mitochondria किस लिए है? To provide energy. सेल को एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करने के लिए. किसकी फॉर्म में? इट विल बी देयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एटीपी. एटीपी क्या है? किसी सेल का एनर्जी करेंसी. एनर्जी करेंसी ऑफ द सेल इट इज. ओके. प्लास्टिड. प्लास्टिड, these are the colored pigments which provide color to the plants. Okay, these are of three types. Which are these three types? Chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. In plants what is there? It is there in the chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast में क्या है? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll क्या करेगा? It will give green color to the plants. Green color to the plants it will give, and if it will give green color to the plants, then by this only the plants will able to prepare their food. By which process? The process is photosynthesis. The next component is the endoplasmic reticulum. You can see at the surface of endoplasmic reticulum these are present. What are these? Ribosomes, जो किसके साइड से हैं? प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस की. Here you can see large space is there. It is there in the plant cell. जो large होगा, large structure है, वो क्या है? Vacuole. Vacuole is there for the storage purpose. For storage purpose. In this we can say sometimes there is a storage of the waste materials also, so that it can be disposed easily from here. Chloroplast. We have discussed in the plastid also, which is a form of chloroplast. Chloroplast में क्या होगा? Chlorophyll. Same it is here, which gives the green color to the plants. Then cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, we know it is a jelly-like substance. Jelly-like substance है जिसमें क्या है? Cell organelles are suspended there. सेल की एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए जो भी ऑर्गेनेल्स चाहिए वो किस में होंगी? In this jelly like fluid, jelly like substance में. Okay, Golgi apparatus, as we have discussed earlier about this also, it was given by the Camillo Golgi, and we have discussed these are the structures which are placed parallel to each other. You can see here also, you can see here also, these are placed parallel to each other. इनका फंक्शन क्या है? जो भी सेल में प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्मेशन हुई, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, उनको स्टोर करना, मॉडिफाई करना एंड उनकी पैकेजिंग करना. और जो भी कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर है, कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर चेंज इनटू द सिंपल शुगर. ओके. और Golgi apparatus, it is also involved in the formation of the lysosomes, but as we can see, lysosomes is present generally in the animal cells only. Okay, so once more structure of the plant cell. What is the components present there? Cell wall. Inner wall is, inner membrane is called as cell membrane, or you can say plasma membrane. Nucleus is there. In nucleus what is there? Spherical body, that is nucleolus. These are the thread-like structures, chromosomes. These are the thread-like structures which are known as chromosomes. Okay, and what chromosomes are having? They are having DNA. What is the full form of DNA? DNA full form is deoxyribonucleic acid. Nucleic acid. What nucleic acid is having? It is having the genetic information. Okay, DNA full form is deoxyribonucleic acid. Nucleic acid is mostly having the genetic information. Clear? Next is ribosomes. Which are the sites of the protein synthesis? Mitochondria provide energy to the cell for their various activities. Plastid, it is the colored pigment which gives color to the plant cells. Next is ER, endoplasmic reticulum. It is there for the transportation. For the transportation, ER is there. Large vacuole, vacuole is there for the storage of the various contents for the cell. Chloroplast, which is having chlorophyll, and by that the plants perform their function, that is photosynthesis. Next is cytoplasm, jelly like substance है जिसमें क्या है, cell organelles are suspended. Golgi apparatus given by the Camillo Golgi, and products which will be formed, that will be the store here, packaged and modify, that will be done in the Golgi apparatus only. Okay, so I think the structure of plant cell is clear to you all. If any doubt is there to anyone, you may ask in the comment section, and the structure of plant cell is to be drawn in Fair Notebook also. Thank you everyone.